Hi, I hope you're having a great day. On this video, we will discuss about telecom pole riser construction. A riser is a pipe that rises up in a vertical direction and attached to the side of a pole. Hence, a pole is supporting a riser is called a riser pole. The riser provides a connection between underground to aerial fiber or copper cable. The riser is usually protected by galvanized iron duct. Galvanized iron U-guard is sometimes used. Risers should be located on the pole in the safest available position with respect to climbing space and exposure to traffic damage. Let's assume that the manhole or handhold and pole has been constructed. Put safety cones and hazard on the working area. Using jackhammer, break the concrete to where the route goes. The duct linking between the handhold and the riser should not exceed 15 meters apart. Be mindful of the existing utility duct that might be present, such as water or electrical pipe. Carefully dig or excavate manually using crowbar and shovel. Trench depth typically reach to 400 mm to 600 mm, depending on the depth of the duct entry positioning inside the chamber. Prepare the 100 mm diameter PVC duct. Cut suitable length of duct according to the trench layout. Lay 2 runs of PVC ducts from the riser position to the chamber duct entry. Heating the PVC duct using blue torch will soften the duct opening, hence will ease and allow a new duct segment from jointing. This method will allow you to customize PVC's shape in curving route, and it doesn't require you to purchase a prefabricated PVC elbow. This is how the duct looks after laying. The bending radius from the duct entry level to the riser should be 1 meter. Restore the trench and pavement with hand-mixed concrete mixture. PVC ducts laid must concrete encased. This is to ensure that it will be intact from its position. Once the concrete has been hardened, you may lay the 2 runs of 50 mm diameter HDPE subduct into the 100 mm PVC duct. One PVC duct is used and another one remained as a spare duct for future use. Insert one length of 100 mm GI duct onto the subducts. Join the 100 mm GI duct onto the PVC duct tip. Fix the galvanized iron duct attachment on the pole by tying a stainless strap starting from the bottom 400 mm above ground level. Tie a stainless steel strap 840 mm above from the first stainless strap and another one 840 mm above from the second strap. We should count 3 stainless steel straps tied on the galvanized iron duct. The base of the pole riser must be encased with concrete with steel rebars and has a dimension of 500 mm by 500 mm. Seal any gaps between the subducts and the riser cap or adapter. Apply foam sealant or duct seal on the duct opening that contains 2 HDPE ducts. The spare duct should be covered with duct plug. Once the sealing on the ducts has been applied, attach the U-guard 2.5 meters above ground. Tie stainless straps from the bottom of the U-guard and every 600 mm distance. We should count 4 stainless steel straps tied at the U-guard. Put a duct plug on the spare duct inside the handhole. Cut excess HDPE pipe subduct. Seal gaps between the duct and subducts with foam sealant. Clean the handhole inside before leaving. Close the handhole lid. This procedure was based from the Globe Telecom Philippines outside plant standards. I hope you learned from this video episode. Thank you for watching.